Guys, this is Stin from techrudranshu.com, and we are learning Android development with basics. So previous video tutorial we had taught you that is how to install Android Studio, and this is the second part of Android. So we are starting from basics so you can understand and you can go step by step. So this tutorial will show you simply open new activity. So if you have a question, so what is the activity is just like pages. Okay, when you click I mean click any link and it will redirect and it will open any other page. So the same thing it's happen it here. So I have a this activity. Okay, this is the blank activity. You can see here the button and here are the sample. This button is showing it here. Okay, so when I click the other page means the next page and next activity it's opening. So you can put your content it here and you can also put your content it here. So you can understand this is the home page, and when you go to a new page, so it's open, it's a changing one page to another. So this thing we are learning today. Okay, so let's get start. To create a new project, just click it here, new and new project. And here you need to give your project name. I am giving activity. Okay, start activity, you can put any name. Start activity, next, everything is a default, next, empty activity, next, and everything is same, just finish it. So as you can see, our project has been created and this is our hello world. So we want to delete this hello world. Okay, so hello world has been deleted. So here we will drag and drop our button. Just drag button it here and drop it anywhere. Okay, in your activity. This is called a page and this is also called a activity. Okay, in Android. So this is the activity, and if you wanted to change the text of the button, you need to just double click it here, and here are the option of change button text. Okay, I think I have clicked it 2 times. Just click it here on button and change the button text. Start new activity or start new page. Okay, and hit enter. So it's a text has been changed, and now we need to uh, see the text view. Here are the design and here are the text. Just click on text and little bit zoom in, I think. Okay, and just shrink it little bit. So this is the button and its id is a button. Okay, so this is the very important. I am zoom in so you can see clearly. So this button id is very important to understand the activity in a java in a android. Okay, so just little bit zoom out and create a new activity. Okay, just right click on your package, click a java, click on your package. So my package is convert url app to start activity, and here are the java class which is the main activity, and click on the package and just click right click and go to activity and here empty activity. Okay, and you can put your activity name it here, you can give it any name. So I am giving it other activity, and you can give any name. Okay, you are you can put any name and just finish it. so it will create a new activity for us. So you can see other activity, this is main activity. Okay, so in other activity, go to a resource, go to a layout, and you can see here are the activity other.xml automatically created. This is not present when we are create a project, it's not, but we have created the other activity, it's automatically created for us, activity other.xml. Just double click and you can see I just click on design, so it's nothing, but we want to add a text, some text, so just click on text view and drop it here. Okay, and you can just single click and just we can change its text. Okay, so this is the text we can change. This is my new activity or new page. Okay, and hit enter. So you can see we have a change, it's a text. Okay, when we go to a main activity main design, when we click this button, the other activity means we will see this, this is my new page. Okay, will show when we click on this button. So this functionality we have to make. Okay, so we need to go main activity.java. Okay, and you can simply click it here and go to here. So first we need to create an object of button, so you can put it button, this is the button, and give it any name it here. Okay, so I am giving the same name button, you can give also a same name. Okay, and here we need to create a get the ID of our button, so find view by ID. Okay, this is the function of inbuilt function of Android Java, and r dot id dot and the ID of your activity. Go to a activity main.xml, go to text, and this ID is important. Just copy, control C, and go to main activity and paste it here and put it semicolon. Okay, so this is very important. So it's showing error message. Why? Just alt enter. No. Okay, so just cast it here button. Okay, and you can see the error has gone. Okay, because this is not a find view by id, this is it is return any integer value, so we are convert inside a button. Okay, so we need to add button click listener, I mean the on click listener on this button. So we know that this is the button, so button dot set on click listener. So call the function which is set on click listener. Okay, and inside we need to call on set on click listener and on click, I think set on click listener and on click listener, on click. Okay, on click, on click listener, new on click. Okay, we got it. So just on click listener, you can see here this is the on click listener, you can click it here and you can enter. So this is automatically generate code for us. Okay, so this is just set the button and put on click listener, and this is the click listener, and inside we need to make our intent to start the new activity. Okay, so just put it intent, and intent you can put it I and intent anything you can put it here. Okay, this is the object, and we need to create a object of intent, new intent, new intent. Okay, and it will take a two parameters. Okay, first is the class name. This is main activity, but the inbuilt function for the good programming, uh, we have a method which is get base context. Get base, BASE, base context. So this will return this class name, so automatically it will put it here, this method, and your here are your activity name. Okay, other activity means which activity you want to start. This name you need to put it here. So I have a activity which is other activity, other activity, this is other activity. So just copy the name other activity, this is the other activity, go to main activity and paste it here and dot class. Okay, and at the end semicolon. And the last thing we need to activate our activity, just call the function start activity and hit enter. So start activity, it will take a one parameter which is intent and paste it here and semicolon. Okay, so when you run this project it will work for you, and this code will 100% work, and this video also help you to develop Android application. So if you are a beginner, this video series will help you a lot. So I will suggest you please subscribe my channel.